What is up, guys? Red the Redbird here, back at again with another video. And today I am celebrating my 200 subscriber special! Yay! And today we are going to be doing it on confetti! Yay! Just kidding, that's not what today is about. Today I'm going to be doing a speed draw for my 200 subscriber special. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you at the end of the video. Okay guys, so I just want to thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Also, I just want to mention that I will be starting to do some speed draws on this channel, so I hope that you may be expecting some of those in the future. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below and share the video with friends, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.